morning to all. Myself Teja. My team members are Akanksha, Nishad, Nikita, Sabha, Adya from BSc first year Government Degree College, Korutla, Chemistry Department. Now I am going to introduce about overuse of pesticides and its
Start.
Now I am going to introduce about overuses of pesticides and its impact on human health and environment and determination of nitrogen containing pesticides in various fruits and vegetables in the part of Jignasa project. Thanks. Over to Akanksha.
Myself, Akanksha. Since before 20 BC, humans have utilized pesticides to protect their crops. In 1940s, manufacturers began to produce a large amount of pesticides like DDT, BHC, etc. and their use became widespread. In 1960, it was discovered that DDT was preventing so many fish-eating birds from reproducing, which was a serious threat to biodiversity. But it is still used in some developing nations. Thank you. Over to Nishad.
Myself Nishad. As pesticides are hazardous and toxic to human health, even in small quantities. Any pesticide residue remaining in fruits and vegetables can pose danger to humans and cause certain diseases such as respiratory, memory disorders and cancer, etc. Pesticide also toxic to plants and environment. In agriculture, overusage of pesticides can lead to contaminate to the water sources and soil also. Thank you. Over to Nikita.
Myself Nikita. India is one of the largest consumer of pesticides globally. This is state-wise pesticides consumption in India. Highest pesticide consumption in state is Maharashtra with 21%, and lowest pesticide consumption state are Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka with 2%. Thank you. Over to Sabha.
Myself Sabha Firdaus. Here we done lab experiment to determine the nitrogen containing pesticide. Me and my friends nearly 20 samples of each fruit and vegetable from market and home. From the experiment connected in laboratory, it is noticed that large concentration of nitrogen containing pesticide present in thus collected from market and other results with negative test collected from home. Here we are going to advise to use the fruit and vegetable after washing with plenty of water, soaking in salt water for few minutes. Thank you for Hadia. Over to Hadia.
Myself, Hadia Batul. Agricultural development has a long history throughout many locations around the world. Pesticides use has expanded extensively in recent years. To minimize the effect of pesticides on humans and environment, the Indian government should introduce the scientific methods and technologies and motivate to use biopesticides. The Indian government has taken steps to regulate pesticide use and promote awareness among farmers. Nowadays, most of the people interested in home gardening, which is good source of food and health. Thank you.
Thank you for listening this opportunity.
This is Dr. Neil Vasavi, supervisor of this project. Thank you.